Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero gravity at home. We'll explore simple, accessible ways to demonstrate the principles of weightlessness right in your living space. While achieving true zero gravity like astronauts experience is not possible without leaving Earth's atmosphere, you can create fascinating microgravity effects. These experiments offer a fun and educational glimpse into the physics of freefall and apparent weightlessness, using everyday items. One simple way to simulate reduced gravity is with a water tank. Fill a large, clear container, perhaps a fish tank or a tall vase, with water. When you drop small, dense objects like marbles or coins into the water, they fall much slower than they would in air. This slower descent, due to buoyancy and drag, gives the illusion of a weaker gravitational pull, offering a visual representation of reduced weight. Another exciting method involves a DIY drop tower. You can create one using a tall cardboard box or a sturdy shelf. Place a small object, such as a coin or a paperclip, inside a clear plastic container. When you drop this container from a height of several feet, the object inside will appear to float freely for a very brief moment. This is because both the container and the object are falling at the same rate, creating a temporary state of microgravity. It's important to understand that these home experiments create only brief periods of microgravity, not true zero gravity. Microgravity is a state where the effects of gravity are greatly reduced, but not entirely absent. True, sustained weightlessness, like that experienced by astronauts on the International Space Station, requires being in continuous freefall around Earth. Nevertheless, these simple demonstrations are fantastic for illustrating fundamental physics principles and sparking curiosity about space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.